Hello, welcome to Nana's Journey. I'm Deanna, and today we are going to do block 11 of the 2024 Designer Mystery Block of the Month by Fat Quarter Shop. This block is called Family Time. It is by Lisa Bonjean, or however you pronounce that. She's with Primitive Gatherings, and these are our fabrics. So we're just going to make a whole lot of flying geese. So we'll have 4 blocks, and we're just going to put them in a pinwheel pattern. So let me get these cut out, and I will be back. Okay, all the pieces are cut for the flying geese, plus we have our setting pieces. And so let's get over to the sewing machine. Okay, to make the flying geese, we are going to take one background. I believe that's the geese. This is the sky pieces. Make sure you have right sides together. And this is tone on tone, so you need to be careful with that. And we're going to sew from one corner to the other. And I'm just going to use the sew line tape. You can also mark or iron or whatever you're comfortable with. When you fold this over, you want to make sure everything is covered. Trim that off, leaving a 1/4 inch. And then get your other one. Okay. See, I've got some showing there, so I'm going to redo this one. The seam needs to be moved over that way a little. Okay, that's better. Okay, and then we have our flying geese, and you need your 1/4 inch seam allowance here. So I'm just going to chain stitch these ones. Okay, these are trimmed. Okay, now we're going to sew these in a column, like this. And if you have this side facing up, then you can make sure you go across the intersection there and not lose your points. Okay, and I pressed this direction up towards the point. And this is the whole block. We're going to make 4 with this fabric and 4 with 3 of these and 1 of these. So I'll be back when that's finished. Okay, I have the block finished. Now I'm going to put on these 2 sides, then this bottom strip, then these 2 sides, then I'll do the roof, and then we'll put the flower on the right. And then that will be in its setting. And then next month we'll be doing the last one, and I believe there's borders on the quilt, I'm not sure. So let's get these put on. Okay, there we have it. The block is all finished and it's in its setting. One more month to go and we can put the quilt top completely together. Thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you next time on Nana's Journey.